Hello, good day to you. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking on how to save in dollars using PiggyVest Smart Target. So once you have opened your PiggyVest app and you log in through your fingerprints or your password. So after logging in into your dashboard, you have several options below the dashboard page. So you click on savings. So under savings, you have different options. You have the piggy bank, safe lock, target savings, and house money. Then you click on target savings. So under the target savings, you are going to get to know what target savings is and what is new under this option. So from this page, you can see the plus sign, and you click on the plus sign. This plus sign gives you the options of what type of targets you want to create. Is it a personal target, a public group, or creating a public one for private savings? So you click on create a personal target. So once you create this thing, it will take you to this page of what are you saving the money for. So last, for example, let's use this for house rent. So it has suggested options for you. So you click whatever category you want. Let's choose rent and accommodation, for example. So after selecting the category that you want, they are going to type in your total amount target. So how much do you intend to save? Let's say, for example, 500,000 naira. So you type it in there, 500,000 naira. What is your preferred way of saving the money? Do you want it on a weekly basis, daily basis, monthly, or manually, which means you can choose whenever you want to save the money. So for this option, let's try and choose the weekly basis. So now here you are going to choose what preferred time. What day of the week do you want this money to be deducted? So let's choose Mondays. After Monday, what time on Monday? You're going to select the preferred time. So you click on it. What time? Let's choose 6 a.m. for example. Then it gives you the option of when do you want to start the saving. So you choose your choice. Let's say start tomorrow. Then what day do you want it to end? You click on set end date. You choose how many days do you want it. Let's choose 50 days for example here. So now we have it 60 days. While you have chosen that, PiggyVest will calculate how much you have to pay weekly for you to meet your targets. Now it has automatically suggested it for you. So for this, look at, you have to pay 71,428 naira, 57 naira weekly so as to meet up your targets. What do you do after that? You use, how do you want to fund your account? You choose the flex naira option. You accept the options, you accept the terms and conditions, then you read and you create your target. So while you create a target, it will ask you for the option of putting in your password or your fingerprint, whatever choice that you want, you do that. So after doing that, you have officially secured how to create your target. So this is an easy way and the best way for you to save in dollars. Thank you.